There was a young Hebrew Israelite girl named Hadassah who grew up in a small, close-knit community where the Sabbath was more than a day of rest. It was a sacred tradition. Every Friday at sunset, her parents would light candles, prepare a meal, and sit together in quiet reverence, honoring the day Yahweh commanded to be holy. From the time she could walk, Hadassah knew the sound of her father's prayers and the warmth of her mother's gentle touch as she blessed her children for the Sabbath. Hadassah loved the Sabbath. It was her family's time to reconnect with Yahweh, to rest in His peace, and to reflect on the commandments that shaped their lives. But as she grew older, the world beyond her small town began to call her name. Stories of the big city filled her head with dreams of adventure, excitement, and independence. When Hadassah turned 18, she decided to leave the comfort of her small town and move to a bustling city to chase her dreams of freedom. Her parents were saddened but supportive, reminding her always to remember the commandments and keep the Sabbath. She left with her mother's prayer shawl and her father's Bible in hand. At first, Hadassah tried to keep the Sabbath in her new life, but the city was fast-paced, filled with distractions, and the allure of the nightlife and new friends soon pulled her in a different direction. She met people who didn't honor Yahweh, who didn't understand why the Sabbath mattered. Slowly, she began to drift. Friday nights, which were once spent in prayer and rest, were now spent at parties, clubs, and in the company of friends who led her further from her roots. Hadassah's once strong connection to Yahweh became a distant memory. She became worldly, caught up in the excitement of her new life. Yet deep down, she often felt an emptiness that nothing could fill. Her mother's prayer shawl lay in a drawer, gathering dust, and her father's Bible sat unopened on a shelf. One day, while walking through a busy part of the city, Hadassah noticed an elderly blind woman sitting by the side of the street. The woman had a peaceful, radiant glow about her, as if she knew something that the rest of the world had forgotten. Intrigued, Hadassah stopped. The elderly woman, without turning her head, smiled and said, "I've been waiting for you, child." Startled, Hadassah asked, "How do you know me?" The woman replied, "Yahweh speaks to me, even though I cannot see with my eyes. I see with my spirit. He told me a daughter of Israel would come to me today, one who has forgotten the ancient paths. You've strayed, but you are not lost." Tears welled in Hadassah's eyes. How could this woman know her story? She hadn't spoken about her faith, her family, or her departure from the Sabbath to anyone in the city. The woman reached out and held Hadassah's hand, her grip firm yet comforting. "Yahweh loves you, child," the woman said softly. "He has not forgotten you, though you have forgotten Him. The Sabbath was written on your heart long ago, and it calls you back. Honor it, keep it holy, and return to the commandments. You'll find your peace again." Hadassah's heart stirred. The emptiness she had felt for so long began to fade, replaced by a feeling she hadn't experienced in years: hope, the return to her roots. That night, as the sun set, Hadassah went home and took out her mother's prayer shawl. She wrapped it around her shoulders, feeling its comforting weight, and opened her father's Bible for the first time since she had moved to the city. The words of Exodus 28 leapt off the page. "Remember the Sabbath day, to keep it holy." Hadassah wept, not out of sadness, but out of gratitude. She realized how far she had wandered from the path her parents had taught her, from the ways of Yahweh. But now, she was ready to return. She lit a candle, prayed the prayers she had learned as a child, and honored the Sabbath once more. From that day forward, Hadassah's life began to change. She distanced herself from the people who had led her astray and sought out new friends who shared her faith. She reconnected with her roots, not just in keeping the Sabbath, but in honoring all the commandments of Yahweh. Each week, as the Sabbath approached, she felt her spirit grow stronger, her connection with Yahweh deepened. Hadassah often went back to visit the elderly woman, who had become a guiding light in her life. The woman's wisdom and stories of Yahweh's faithfulness reminded Hadassah of the strength in returning to the ancient ways. One day, Hadassah asked her, "How did you know Yahweh was speaking to me?" The elderly woman smiled and said, "Yahweh knows all His children. When they stray, He sends someone to call them back. It's not always a voice from heaven. Sometimes it's the voice of a blind old woman sitting on a busy street." Hadassah laughed through her tears.